Welcome to the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today we will touch on a topic that is avoid property insurance scams. Check this for important tips. Property insurance scam is the thing that most people who want to protect their assets fear. The types of property assets can include houses, apartments, shop houses, and other buildings. As it has a high economic value, this property deserves protection. Now, the risk of fraud could be due to a lack of information about property insurance so that the public and prospective customers do not yet have a good knowledge of the importance of having this insurance product. With financial protection from property insurance, customer can minimize the risk of financial loss in the event of a disaster that causes damage to the assets, for example, due to fire, earthquake, flood, riot, and theft. So, to avoid property insurance scams, consider the following tips for buying property insurance. First thing to consider is what are the criteria for good insurance. There are various insurance companies that offer indemnity guarantee for products for various types of property, ranging from comparable benefits, ceilings, and premiums. Of course, each prospective customer has unique needs from one another. Therefore, prospective customers need to review the terms and conditions applied in the insurance policy. Furthermore, in the purchasing process until signing the contract, you should ask again about the details of submitting an insurance claim. Study and reread the contents of the agreement one by one so that there is no burdensome thing when paying insurance premiums, including the provision of receiving compensation if the building has problems. Second thing to consider, what factors affect the premium price? To choose property insurance that fits your needs, you must consider the premium as well. The location and use of the building will have a major influence on the price of property insurance premiums. This includes who will occupy the property, the quality of the building, the state of the environment around the building, and related to disaster vulnerability and crime. In fact, the utility system and the building's electrical power will affect the provision of insurance premiums. This means if you find that there are construction materials that are prone to fire or are easily porous because they are unable to withstand water, if it is possible that the insurance premium will be more expensive as the risk is higher. If your needs are not too many, you can choose insurance benefits that only cover certain risks, such as a theft risk guarantee if you feel that the surrounding environment is prone to crime. Third thing to consider, do research on insurance companies. If you don't want to experience property insurance scam, you shouldn't just choose a company even though the coverage offered sounds tempting. Choose a company that is trusted and has a good reputation in the eyes of the public. Find out the financial health of your target insurance company. Do not just get an insurance, then halfway through you get news that the insurance company is committing fraud or even going out of business. In this digital era, you can easily find information by surfing on search engines. So don't forget to look for information through relatives and coworkers to get additional tips. Next thing to consider, don't hesitate to compare the best insurance products. Don't forget to first compare one property insurance product with another. Each insurance product has its own advantages and disadvantages. If you don't want to be burdened by premium payments, claim processing, then the amount of fees that are not as expected, you can look for insurance information from various companies. So please consider these 4 things so that you can avoid property insurance scam. Hope it helps you. Thank you.